we need to change
The world.
the world and on each and on everything.
Young people can even receive payment for their work. I would like to get some support. Simply the place for the start.
Yeah.
We are the power girls. We need to
Yeah.
use our voices.
Picnic time! Oh, wie leuk. Merci. Hi, Marianna.
Hello.
Hello. She's going to be my host today. It's Marianna Parigi, and she's a Ukrainian lady, and she came to Luxembourg. When did you came to Luxembourg?
5 years ago.
5 years ago. It's amazing what she's doing already. She has 2 beauty salons. Did you, as BL, love? Which you're going to tell us a little bit more about it. And did you came to Luxembourg of love, L-O-V-I, or
Yeah.
L-A-F-F?
I arrived to Luxembourg 5 years ago because
Yeah.
of my love.
Yeah.
It was a marriage online because it was pandemic, and we did online marriage, and I received a letter from Grand Duke, congratulations and invitation to come to Luxembourg.
Yeah, you were really
yeah.
welcome then, even by the Grand Duke. This.
Yeah, so then
That's the lady which we need in Luxembourg, they said. Yeah, and yes, she is.
yeah, so I arrived
Great.
with my daughter here,
Yeah.
and we just start everything from the scratch. So yeah.
Yeah, but also what we can say, Marianna, she's mama of a little boy. He has 8 months. I think he's born in this very nice...
Almost, yes.
Almost, because you are working till the last minute of
Was
your
working
pregnancy.
already from third day, I think, of his life.
Yeah.
Obliged to do what we have to do.
Yeah. But you are still, you're really a hard worker. But that's what I'm so impressed about it. Because if you're gonna send a message or a mail to Marianna at 12 at midnight, she's gonna answer you. I was so surprised when I did it late at night. I said, well, she's gonna see it then tomorrow morning.
Yeah, because it's
No.
not work for me, it's part of my life.
But it's also that even if you love to do it, you have also to do it. You know, not that you're going to say at 6 o'clock now, we close the door and then it's finished. No, then you're going to continue, you know. You work yourself in your salons, your daughter is working in here, your friends, and it's not only that you have people who are working for you because you're doing it also by your own, you know. It's
Yeah, but I'm not working alone. So salon we opened with my partner Salome, and so we
Yeah.
are doing work together, and we push
Yeah.
each other sometimes.
Yeah.
If I cannot say that we can be lazy, but sometimes we can be not in the mood because of the
not
weather,
always.
for example.
Not
but,
always.
But we always support each other, and this is very important that we have strong team. So we love each other, we support each other, and we are doing together a lot of things. Even in
Especially
love
you can
as
come.
well.
You can come once to one of her salons, beauty salons. And one is here, where we are sitting now. It's at the Route d'Arlon, number 179 Route d'Arlon. I'm nothing with numbers, so that's why I prefer that you're going to tell it again. And it's also a very nice energy, which is always in this. That's why I love also to come here. So that's why I said also let's record it in the salon and not at my place. Because it's not that you're not welcome to me, but I love the energy in here.
It's always a pleasure to have you here.
Oh,
So you
yeah.
can come any day.
Yeah,
anytime.
I
We'll
love
be
to come.
happy.
Yeah. I feel very welcome when I come, always. So that's why, and I love your energy and your work. Your mom now 8 months ago, yeah. And I think the quiet place where he is, it's always when he's at the salon, because he is nearly born in the salon.
He is hard worker as well.
Yeah, but then he's always with ladies around, and he's always somebody who's caring for him, and he's getting very spoiled. Yeah, he's
That's
getting
good for
very getting spoiled. Yes, yeah, that's nice. Yes, I love that. One thing which is very, very important also, it's you create love. And what is love exactly, and how do you came to that idea?
As I told you that we moved to Luxembourg and we start our new life here. And before I work in Ukraine in this field in fashion, I own my model agency. I work with all the agencies from all over the world. I travel a lot, I met people, we organized a lot of fashion shows and we worked with Ukrainian Fashion Week, and I'm quite creative person, you know.
Yeah. Curating events or creating also of sewing, of...
No, we are working with heavy creating and to organize something, you know. So this was my passion in Ukraine, and I still continue to do this here. I like to organize people. I would like to support.
Yeah, and to be surrounded also with people who are on the same
Yeah, we have
ideas.
a great team in our Vill, and everybody does his own role. We are not so big team, only 4 person in committee, but everybody does his own role, and we are very, very strong. It's very important to find as well the request, you know, that if you would like to do something, but you don't feel the energy that people need this, it will be not so nice project. But if you see big requests from people with open hearts, that they would like to join, they would like to participate.
That's so nice. That's really, really nice.
You can feel that if you give your energy, people will give you something back as well, because they are really involved in this process.
Yeah, but you are not even creating. But for me, it was so nice to see with all these designers who came and joining you. How did you got to those people? Did they know you, or do you know them, or because they are in some of them are in Ukraine?
Yeah, because we started from Ukrainian fashion show. It was Ukrainian designers from the very beginning. Because I knew them personally, and for me it was more easy to organize something with Ukrainians. But after we started to organize Ukrainian designers fashion show, I received requests from people who live here in Luxembourg. They would like to do something as well. They say. And so step by step we started to work with Luxembourgish designers, with expats, with people who would like to show their collections or artworks here.
Yeah, but you give them also the chance that they can show it also. You know, some people, they have ideas and they don't know where to go.
That's why we created, you know. So this is the platform where people can.
Yeah, but it's also getting very, very big, you know. I mean, when you were starting, so it was not so. But what I could see is how it grows and how big it is till now. And it's only, how many years did you start it? 3?
It's 3 years.
Yeah, you see, because you're gonna have that big event on the 6th of March. Save the date, 6th of March at the Comé la Maison.
It's the annual event of love, where we would like to speak about our project. And we organized this event to fundraise some money for this project to support women in art and fashion. Not would like just to ask for the money, you know, but we want to show people what we are doing. And we have 2 big projects. Is Love Atelier, upcycle atelier for refugees, for women who would like to sew, you know.
Let's say when people have now something which they wanted to have done on a different way, a code or something, so they can come to you. How can they find you? Or
so all information about us in social media, and soon we will renew the website. It will be as well on our website. For now, we have just 1 atelier in Differdange, but very soon, I hope, with help of social atelier for people. They can upcycle, they can bring clothes, they can even donate clothes to be upcycled and then So we are doing this project now in our SBL.
Yeah, but that's one of your projects. You have also another one which is including a love. Tell us a little bit more.
House?
Love House?
Yes, Love House is an amazing project for all creative people who would like to get some support. Simply the place for the start, where people can introduce their art or do some workshops.
And how does it work? Love House, I mean, you have now, let's say somebody has a project in art and they want it, how can they reach you? I mean, young people who are trying to do something, and so...
It's very easy with us. You don't need to wait or apply some, big form to get in. We already have practice because before was on Gar, a very big lab house, 700 meters square, and everybody who or send message or by phone or they can simply come to the place and ask for help. Everybody received what they asked. We didn't refuse any one person. No. Everybody showed their art, their fashion. We did a lot of masterclass, even exposition for emerging talents with RTL, the big article, and video about this. And so we understood that this is the concept should be in Luxembourg because sometimes in Luxembourg too complicated to get things. You need to apply, you need to wait, you need to wait 1 year before to do something. So we decided that we will do everything very fast. And for now, we would like to move to the city center. We already found the house. It's 4 floors. It's an amazing house. Now we are in negotiation, and we would like to fundraise money because it's cost a lot. But I hope we will find support, and we will open in the city center this house. So there, people can apply on the website. It's short form, just request that I would like to do something. And description, and that's it. So we call back and we negotiate about the date and help to organize the event, the address, the people, everything.
Wow, great. Wow. That's too nice to check that already. Perfect, great. And then you have also a modeling lab. We as well developed this kind of business. Let's say it's not a business in Luxembourg, but it's very nice for young people. The idea to start the model agency came because of the war. A lot of young people from Ukraine came to Luxembourg. And they were desperate, they were depressed, and they don't feel themselves here at home. This is normal. Of course. So that's why I decided to create this kind of course for the young, bring them together, do some networking, and then we start organize events, beautiful fashion shows, makeup, photo, they love to do that too. So this was nice. You see the change of people, how young people start to open to each other, how they start to be friends. A lot of them still friends. That's nice. So that's why we still continue this model agency. The young people can even receive payment for their work. This is good. They are also that they know for what they are doing it also. Even when it's a passion, but it's also nice that they're gonna have
some financial support. Okay, it's not big money, but for them it's nice.
That they don't do it for free. Great. So, what did we love? The event, love house, love model agency, love atelier. Do you got everything now? Not that I checked everything. No, but that's quite a lot. How do you manage that all together?
It's easy manage what I can do because based on my experience. I can communicate with models, I can communicate with designers, I can organize the event, but not alone, for sure.
That's
I have a team, I have my partner, Salome, she's always with me, we are together, we are organizing amazing events and we are bringing people together. We have the committee who just do their part of the job, for sure, because it's the ISBL, you need to have the committee. Each member can do their job. And as well, we feel the support from people, people want to be volunteer on our event, people would like to help.
They look like to be involved in the same.
We feel something, the energy.
I mean, get back. What is nice, for me, it's sometimes also I had that with my project, I just spread an idea, and all the people said, yes, we do, yes, and so that's and that's also that gives you the power to continue, and to have. You have good ideas, creating them, and in your head, but. Also, like you say, we want to do that, but then you have also to do it.
You have to do these steps, and then you will get some help. For example, I'm very grateful to the city and for all the communes we communicate, because I feel the support from government, I feel the support from ministries, you know, I feel the support from another organization.
Nice.
We have started already with partners. With another ASBL, we always would like to unite people, to bring them together, you know, because it's like it's energy. We can create something together nice, more nice than each will
but also in the community it's more fun also. When you're not...
we can feel this, you know, so this gives us energy to continue.
To do something more. But now the idea also behind the 6th March now, it's not only to making a nice show, but you have also a special idea behind there.
Yeah, we have special idea. We would
which is very strong message. Please listen now.
Because this event dedicated to women empowerment, we would like to speak, we would like to use our voices, and we would like to ask all women to use your voice. Because we have to be strong, we have to change this world for a better place, and only we can do this. Only if we can be together. The whole event will be about this, you know. So because during the event it will be a very beautiful fashion show, it will be Ukrainian designer. We will introduce the Love House project. We support women and emerging talents. We will introduce our Love Atelier project, where we provide contract for women to get normal life here in Luxembourg, because they, for example, can do just sewing and they don't have language. So for them it's very important to get this kind of contract and this kind of work. And all our ambassadors during the event, they will use their voice to speak to each other, to speak to another women, and to explain
it's
that only together we
it's
can
also only on the dialogue that you have a result later. If you don't speak and if you don't open your mouth and you don't give your voice, so nothing could happen, even if you have good ideas. But if you can spread them around, so nothing could happen.
Woman is not only the mother, woman is a businesswoman, she is the teacher, she is the wife, she is the leader, she can be everything she wants.
I mean, the right word, women can lead us, we are leaders, and especially we are leaders.
It's only on us how will be in our future, what we will get. This world needs to be changed by women. This world to get support from women.
Say it again. Say it, tell it to the girls.
So we are the power girls. We need to use our voices. I'm waiting for all of you to see you on our annual event, 6th of March. In Comé la Maison. It will be a great show, a great evening.
Please come all. We're going to see each other and we're going to have some fun. And we're going to be strong together so that we're going to have a nice future world, especially women.
For our kids?
For our kids.
The most important.
The most, yes, because women, are the most of them, they are moms. So a dad could never be on that way like a woman could be for children. And also, and what they said, it's the real love, the strongest love is a love between a child and a mom. You could love your husband, you could love your dog.
Different love.
That's the big.
This is the future, you know. And if we think about our life, about our planet, you know, about our future, what we can give to our future.
Just
and
also
part of us, our kids.
To the kids, and also not to be shamed when you leave this world, that you're gonna say, what the hell, what we done. Because it's now the time to realize and to see that it says we need to change the world and on each and on everything, and which is very important for us, for women. For me, it's very important that we don't need to forget ourselves. We can be moms, but we have also to be our own strong person and personality, and to stand by your side
And here we are to remind you and each other that you can get all this support and remember that you're a strong person.
Yeah.
And can be not a mom, not a teacher, not a wife, but someone else, if you would like, if you prefer. And you can get the power to be yourself and to build yourself from another woman. This is very important.
To stay next one to the other. That's nice. Oh, thank you so much, Marianna.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we have also my little Jack. He says thank you.
Nice sleeping.
And Marianna's baby, he's sleeping behind. It's not that he's very quiet. His second life is here at Seoul, at the Route d'Arlon. So it was so nice that we could talk to each other. Okay, so thank you.
See you. Ciao, ciao.
Yeah, and stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.